How to fix unable to activate Face ID on this iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And if you're getting unable to activate Face ID on this iPhone error, then don't be panic. Here in this video I'll show you 3 different easy troubleshooting guides to fix the problem. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. So now to fix unable to activate Face ID on this iPhone, first thing first, simply go ahead and open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on accessibility, and from here scroll down again, tap on Face ID and attention. Under this one, make sure we have enabled the required attention for Face ID, enable attention hour feature, and also enable haptics on successful authentication. If all this option is already enabled, turn this option off and wait around 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back on. Then get back to the main settings of your iPhone, and from the main settings you just have to scroll down and tap on screen time, and scroll down again and tap on content privacy restriction, and make sure to turn up the restriction from here. Now once you're done, just get back from here and restart your device. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, and you can tap on more and restart in order to restart your iPhone. And also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then this is the last and final method to fix the problem. Open up the settings app once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS in order to fix any bugs or glitches that you have with the iOS version. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here, and from the general just need to scroll down to the very bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and then simply go ahead and tap reset all settings, and then put your iPhone passcode and tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it will get back to the default. So you will lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized. And once you do that, you just need to set up your Face ID again, and most likely the problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.